Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can view all the apps' average memory usage on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. And from here, scroll down. Then tap on developer options. Now, if you do not have developer options, you need to go into the About phone and then tap on the software information and tap on the build number 7 times to turn it on. All right, tap on developer options and then in here tap on memory. Next, you can choose the number of hours to view. So here we can choose 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, or 1 day. And below here is your average memory usage. Tap on the memory usage down here. This will allow you to view all the apps memory usage. So here you see that Android OS uses the most memory, and then next we've got Android system, then Google, and so on. Now if you tap on the more button at the top left corner, at the top right corner, there is a button called sort by maximum usage, so you can tap on that. This will allow you to sort by the maximum usage, or you can sort by average usage. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.